Pause whatever you're doing and take a look at that old brass lamp in your home. Maybe it's on your shelf, your altar, or in the corner of your living room. Looks dull, doesn't it? Tarnished, lifeless, almost forgotten. But what if I told you? Beneath that layer of darkness, there's a story, a shine, and a secret you've ignored for far too long. And before we reveal the emotional and powerful process of bringing that lamp back to life, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free Top 10 Cleaning Products Guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist, because sometimes the dirtiest things around us carry the most value. For many of us, a brass lamp is not just a showpiece. It's a memory, a tradition. Maybe it belonged to your grandmother. Maybe it was part of a festival celebration. Maybe it once lit your home during a puja, a wedding, or a power cut in childhood. Brass lamps are symbols of light, culture, and spirituality. But over time, something heartbreaking happens. They begin to fade, not because they're broken, but because we stop caring for them. Dust, fingerprints, moisture, air, all of it contributes to the slow but steady death of its shine. And we just let it happen. We walk past that once glorious piece of our life, not realizing it's still waiting to glow again. Let me tell you a real story. A friend of mine had a brass diya passed down from her grandmother. It sat untouched on a shelf for years. During Diwali one year, she wanted to light it again, just for old time's sake. She picked it up and was heartbroken. It was coated in blackish-green tarnish, the kind that makes you question if it's even worth saving. Her first thought? Throw it away and buy a new one. But something stopped her. Maybe it was the memory, maybe the smell of old brass, maybe her grandmother's voice telling her, some things just need a little care to shine again. That day, she decided not to replace it. She cleaned it, gently, lovingly, and when that lamp glowed again, almost like gold, she cried. Because it wasn't just about metal, it was about memory. Here's the science. Brass is an alloy made of copper and zinc. When exposed to oxygen, moisture, or acidic substances, like fingerprints or lemon juice, it oxidizes. That dark greenish-brown layer you see? That's tarnish. It doesn't mean the lamp is damaged. It's just buried, like a treasure hidden under dust. And the longer you wait, the deeper that tarnish goes. But with the right method, you can remove it, without scratching it, without using harsh chemicals, and with results that are deeply satisfying. Step 1. Check if it's solid brass. Not all golden-colored items are brass. Some are brass-plated, and if you use the wrong method, you could ruin them. Here's a simple test. This script assumes you have a solid brass lamp. If it's plated, only use a soft cloth with mild soap. Step 2. Basic cleaning first. Before you tackle the tarnish, remove surface dust. Use a dry microfiber cloth to wipe it down. Be gentle, especially if it has carvings or thin details. Then, rinse the lamp with warm water and a drop of mild dish soap. No soaking, just a light wash. Pat dry with a soft towel. Already looks a little better, doesn't it? It will tarnish faster than before. Be patient. This isn't a chore. It's a slow, mindful restoration. We live in a world where replacing things is easier than restoring them, where the new gets more attention than the old. But cleaning a brass lamp isn't just about shine. It's about value, sentimental, cultural, emotional. It's about remembering that the light that once brightened our homes never really dies. It just waits for us to uncover it again. So next time you walk past that dull, forgotten lamp, don't ignore it. Pick it up. You don't need to be an expert to bring back the beauty of your brass lamp. You just need time, care, and the willingness to see value where others see waste. And if this video reminded you of something you've been ignoring for too long, maybe it's time to act. So go ahead, like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe if you believe in restoring, not replacing, and share it with someone who's holding on to something that deserves to shine again. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free Top 10 Cleaning Products Guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. Because sometimes the glow we're looking for isn't gone, it's just hidden, waiting for us to bring it back.